Primary 3. Today we are gonna talk about lesson number 1, which is talking about atmosphere. We knew that we are living on the earth, so our planet is called Earth. To protect the earth, there is a mixture of gases surrounded it or around the earth to protect it, and the mixture of gases called atmosphere. So around the earth there is a mixture or a group of gases which is called atmosphere. So what about atmosphere? Atmosphere, it's a mixture of gases around or surround the earth. Mixture of gases surround the earth. Mixture of gases surround the earth. So atmosphere, it's a mixture of gases or group of gases surround the earth. Mixture of gases surround the earth, which is called what? Called atmosphere. Atmosphere. Now let's study the importance of the atmosphere. How do the atmosphere is very important to our earth, to our planet? Number 1, atmosphere is very important to live on earth. So atmosphere helps us to live on earth. Number 2, it's very important to keep our earth warm. So number 2, keeps earth warm. Keeps earth warm. Number 3, it can prevent or block or get out the harmful or the bad radiation out of our earth, out of our planet. So atmosphere can block bad radiation or harmful radiation, prevent harmful radiation or harmful rays from entering our planet, from entering the earth. So it can block the harmful radiation, and radiation, it's about something that is very bad for our earth, for our planet. Number 4, it can keeps the temperature good on earth. How? Without the atmosphere, our morning will be so hot and our night will be so cold. So if we don't have atmosphere, our morning will be so hot and our night or our evening will be so cold. So if I ask you, what are the importance of the atmosphere for our earth? Number 1, live on earth, keeps earth warm, block harmful radiation, block harmful radiation. Without the atmosphere, our morning will be so hot and our night will be so cold. Atmosphere consists of 5 coats or 5 layers. They are exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. So, atmosphere consists of 5 layers, 5 coats, 5 layers or 5 coats. Now, let's talk about the gases which consist the atmosphere or the gases which in the atmosphere. Let's talk about them. Gases in the atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Again, the gases in the atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen is about 78%. Oxygen is about 21%. Carbon dioxide is about 1%. Now let's talk about the importance of each gas in the atmosphere. So let's start by nitrogen. Nitrogen, which represents 78% in the atmosphere. Nitrogen is equal N2. N2. So N2 means nitrogen. N2. Number one, nitrogen is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere, which means that it's the most popular gas in the atmosphere because its percentage in the atmosphere is about 78%. Number two, nitrogen can help living things like human, like plant, like animal to make their protein. So it's very important for the living organisms or the living things to make the protein. Number three, it prevent or can protect our earth from burning, from fires. Now let's talk about the importance of oxygen. Oxygen is a gas in the atmosphere. Oxygen equals O2. Oxygen, O2. Oxygen is very important gas in respiration process. So it's very important in respiration process. Why? Because we need oxygen to breathe. Now let's talk about the importance of the third gas in the atmosphere, which is called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is CO2. CO2. Carbon dioxide can keep the temperature suitable on Earth, can keep the temperature good on Earth. So carbon dioxide is very important gas for temperature of the Earth. Number two, plants like flower, like tree, need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, it's a process that a plant make its own food through it. And now let's talk about the oxygen and the carbon dioxide cycles. Number one, animals like cat, like dog, like fish, and so on use oxygen in respiration process. Respiration process means breathing. So animals can use oxygen in breathing or respiration process. And then they can get rid of or release carbon dioxide. So animals use oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. Then plants like flower, like tree, and so on can use carbon dioxide, which is found in the air, in the photosynthesis process to make its own food, and then can get rid of or release oxygen.